Okay, so once again, this intro is actually recorded after I've actually done the main video, so I can just point out what I do wrong during the video. I mean, I could edit a proper video and just have it, here are the instructions, but I kind of feel it's, it's kind of nice to sort of show you, what I was doing wrong, and so you don't make the same mistakes. All it was I'm basically going to be participating in this ByBit Earn. In fact, it's the launch pool for a token called IME, and I had some BitDAO, that's BIT. I had some BitDAO in my derivative account, and I also had it in a couple of orders in a trade. The trade actually had completed, but there were still buy orders there. So basically what I did was I moved the money from the derivatives account to the spot account and then to the earn account, and it wasn't all there. And then I realised that, two things really. One, I could move it straight from the derivatives account into the earn account, and also I had to cancel the orders in the trading platform before I could move the money from the derivatives account into the earn account. Okay, is that clear? Okay, well, if it's not, just watch the video anyway, and you'll see what I did wrong. I put some kind of notes in the corner just so you know what's going on, and hopefully you'll follow that with me. All right, here we go. Hi there, this is Save with Crypto. Okay, so this morning I'm just looking at something in ByBit. If you haven't got a ByBit account, please use the link down below, which I think gets you various bonuses and stuff. I'm not going to claim the $4,000 that everyone else says or whatever, because to do that you have to deposit like 2 Bitcoin or something, and most people haven't got that sort of money, have they? Anyway, so but there is a benefit if you use the link down below. Anyway, so I'm just looking at this thing here where if you've got some BitDAO, that's BIT is the ticker, it's ByBit's own kind of crypto it's a bit like BNB in Binance, but it's called Bit. And Bit's only been around since October last year, I think it was. And I think it's going to do well. So I've been generally buying some Bit every now and again when it's cheap, when it's around about the dollar price. I'll show you the chart. So basically, since it was launched, Bit's just come down in value quite a lot. It's up a little bit today, but from its initial price here, it's actually down 57%. So I always think, if it's been that price, then one day it will go back to that price and probably beyond. So I think there's a opportunity to make some money just by holding Bit. Now the point about Bit is you can actually trade it on ByBit as a derivative, so you can do the inverse perpetual and you can do Bit USD, so you can trade Bit against Bit, which is what I do occasionally just to get more Bit really. But today what I want to do is to put it into this staking pool. You get here by going to earn and then launch pool there. And then what you need to do is to stake your Bit. Now at the moment my Bit is in my derivatives account, so I'm going to move that to my spot account first. So you can see here I've not got tons of it, I just got 1,602 Bit. So I'm just going to transfer that to my spot account. That's all of it. Confirm. Okay, so that's over there now. So if I go back to the launch pool, okay, so I think all I need to do here is to go to stake now. It says estimated APY. The estimated annualized percentage yield is derived upon the total number of tokens staked to the respective pool. So that's actually what you get on staking the Bit, but I believe by staking the Bit it entitles me to this kind of like, so it's like an airdrop of this IME token. I'll show you about that in a moment. So I'm going to do, so what I need to do is to go to maybe transfer. Oh, I see. Okay, so it goes from the spot account to the earn account. So I probably could have come, I could have come straight from the derivatives account. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm going to go all, and is that all my Bit? Okay, so the mistake I made there, I think, is the fact that I've got some Bit in an order. So let's just check that. So let's just go and look, inverse perpetual Bit USD. And if I have a look down here, oh yeah, I have, yeah, okay. So let's cancel that order there. And cancel that order there. And I think I'll cancel that Bitcoin one while I'm there as well. Okay, so I haven't got any orders open at the moment, or any trades at the moment. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to come down in value so I can put in another long. But yeah, okay, so if I now go back to that, I should be able to transfer straight from the derivative account to the earn account. So let's have a look. So stake now, and go to transfer again. Okay, so I'm going to transfer that 698. So I'll transfer that. Okay, that's that. But I also want to transfer that other amount. So let's see if I can do that. So let's go stake now, transfer. Okay, so let's look at my derivatives account. There you go, into the earn account. Okay, so confirm. Okay, that looks better. Okay, so that is my bit in my earn account. So I think that's earning 20% APY at the moment. So let's go back to that launch pool. I'm not quite sure where I am now. So IME, what it is, it's the native token of Imperium Empires, a malts space metaverse built on Avalanche to address major problems seen in existing blockchain games, such as hyperinflation, unstable tokenomics, and lack of deep DeFi integration. Imperium Empires has introduced deflationary tokenomics through NFT burns in PvP battles. I don't really know what that's all about, really, but I think it's going to be worth having it if it's for free. So I'm going to go stake now. Available balance 1,602 bit. Okay, read that. Stake now. Okay, so view order. That's all staked. Asset earned is IME. Total staked 1,602. So yeah, I'll keep an eye on that and see what happens. So it looks like the launch pool has been running from the 22nd of March, which was, what was that, Tuesday, wasn't it? It's Thursday today. And it finishes on the 29th, which is next week, isn't it? So I guess at that point you'll be able to maybe claim some IME or something like that. I'm not entirely sure, to be honest, actually, but we'll see what happens. But I think it's something for nothing. So if you've got some BitDAO, that's what I would do with it. I do think you have to complete the KYC, Know Your Customer, level 1. So you might have to, provide like your passport details or something to ByBit. So if you're comfortable doing that, that's okay. If you're not, then don't do it. But there you go. I mean, you can use ByBit kind of anonymously if you like. You don't have to, use any KYC at all. You can just be completely anonymous with just a username and all that. If you want to, trade crypto and move it in and out, there's a limit on the amount you can move in and out depending on your level of KYC. So just bear that in mind. A lot of people have asked me to look at Ethereum, and it's another one of these things that I don't quite understand what it's all about, to be honest. Is it the sort of thing where you kind of just have to be staking eGold to participate in the launch? Anyway, I'm going to look into this. So if you'd like me to do that as well, do give the video a like. Give it a like anyway, actually. And leave a nice comment. Make sure you're subscribed. And above all, tell your friends.